Okay, today we're gonna get this gutter downspout put on. Originally we had a chain hanging from the downspout here, which just kind of directs the water directly down to the ground, but that was in the middle of the walkway. So we're gonna attach it to the framing here and bring it down to this new drain here in the ground. So I've got the pipe, got two sections of pipe. I have 4 elbows to direct it where I want, and we've got a couple of clamps here that will mount to the wood framing. So we're going to get started with that, and be back in a minute. Alright, so we've got the pipe mounted to the upper structure, and now I'm just going to zip tie it to the railing here to support it in a couple of places. But what we have here is the pipe is just a little short. We can need another few feet here. So what I'm going to do is take the extended piece of pipe and I have to flare it so that it fits over this area. So what I'm going to do is use a heat gun, heat the plastic up, and then flare it so that it will slide up over this, and then we can get it on down to the ground here. And I think while we're just going to end with one 90-degree directed toward the grate here. So I'm going to go get that done. All right, so we've got the heat gun. We have a bottle here that is should be good to expand the pipe just enough so that we can get it over the other pipe. So we're going to heat up the edge and start stretching it. Well, it's not really working like I hoped. Maybe I have the wall here a little too hot, but not the edge. So I'm going to heat that edge up again. Alright, so you can see there we've got our pipe fitted in there, and now we just need to let that cool off a little bit, and we'll probably just run some cool water over it to make it stiff again, but it's good overlap, maybe an inch or so, and should make it perfect. Alright, so we're going to need probably about 700 millimeters of pipe, maybe a little more, but that should leave us a little room to get another elbow on there and get it directed right at the drain. So we'll start with 700 and go from there. So we've got the pipe down here, and that directs it right at the rocks, and I believe that's all we need. I don't think it needs to have a direct straight down. So now we've got our sleeve, and that fit on there nicely, and now I'm just going to zip tie here and here just to hold it in place on the railing, and that should have it fixed up. And now we just trim off the excess. And we're done. So we have a zip tied there, zip tied there. It's right down to the little rock and drain area. And so we're completed. Connects to 2 spots up there holding the weight. And now it blends in nicely with the post. Yeah, another little project completed. Maybe 35-40 minutes total in work time. All right, thanks for watching.